Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. In today's video, we will solve a very interesting Olympiad math problem, that is 5 raised to power x into 25 raised to power x equals 50. You have to find the value of x. This question looks tricky, but we will solve in a very easy and simple way. First of all, we will write 5 raised to power x, and 25 can be write as 5 raised to power 2x, because 25 is the square of 5. That equals 50. Now, when the bases are same, we will add the powers. So, 5 raised to power x plus 2x, that equals 50. Now, 1 plus 2 is 3, so it will become 5 raised to power 3x. That equals 50. Now we will take log on both sides. So take log on both sides. We will get 3x, then log 5 equals 50. Because power is in the start when we take the log. And in this side we will also write log 50. Now log 5 is multiplied here, it will be divided. So we get 3x equals log 50 divided by log 5. Now in the next step, we will write 3x equals log 50 can be write as log 5 multiply 10 and divided by log 5. Now, when 5 and 10 are multiplied and we have taken log, it will be added. So, 3x equals log 5 plus log 10 divided by log 5. Then we will write this by split this fraction. So log 5 by log 5 plus log 10 by log 5. So this and this are cancelled out and we have 1. And log 10 can be write as log 2 multiply 5 divided by log of 5. Now, again we will write 3x equals 1 plus log 2 plus log 5 divided by log of 5. Now we will split this fraction and write 3x equals 1 plus log 5 by log 5 and plus log 2 by log 5. This and this are cancelled out and we have 1 plus 1 plus log. Here we will apply the change base rule. According to that, base is 5 and 2. So, now 1 plus 1 will be 2. 2 plus log, base is 5 and 2 divided by 3. So, this will be the answer. This is the solution. Now, we will do the verification, is our answer is correct or not. So, for verification, we will substitute the value of x in the left hand side and check our answer equals 50 or not. So, 5 raised to power 3x. So, 3 into substitute the value of x, that is 2 plus log base is 5 and 2 and divided whole by 3. So, 3 and 3 are cancelled out. We will get 5 raised to power 2 plus log base 5 and 2. Now, when both powers are added, we will write this in the multiplication form. So 5 square into 5 raised to power log base is 5 and 2. So it's mean 5 square is 25 and this 2 is in the start. So 25 into 2 is 50. That equals right hand side. So by taking left hand side, we have get the right hand side. It's mean that our solution is correct. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.